Okay, we are back live. We're back live. Perfect. All right, so earlier I was explaining consolidation. Let me explain to you. So, if let's see. Let me explain to you what consolidation means in markets in the next 30 seconds. Basically, what happens in consolidation is price is ranging from one area to. So, let me explain to you what consolidation means in markets in about 30 seconds. Actually, my position just got filled. So I'm in a buy. As I mentioned here, buy is above 40, 44. So I'm also in a buy, but let me explain to you what consolidation means. Consolidation is when the price is stuck in one area. Like you can see here on the screen, we have identified support and we have identified resistance. The price action within the consolidation is very choppy. It's not reliable. So what you can do is you can identify consolidation, you can identify buy and selling zones, and you can use those zones to take trades based on where the consolidation is. All right. All right, I am in buys, and I think the price should continue with volume. The price should continue to move up. So I'll bring these drawings back here, I guess. How does it look on the live stream? Perfect, man. Perfect execution. We waited for a setup. We're now. I'm in profit. Let's see. 400, $500. I mean, this is great. This is good stuff. We waited for a setup. We waited for price to come to us, and waited for a breakout. And I explained what consolidation is. So I think this was a great idea. Mm, This is crazy volume because this right here was 10 pips. I'm already in profit, 10 pips. Let's see. This is, yeah, this is 10, but I'm already, okay, so my entry was like right here. This is what, one, yeah. Basically, I'm anticipating for price to not break below its own low. If it breaks below its own low, at that point, I will reduce my position, meaning I don't think it should break below its own low. So that will be sort of like a risk management If I know it shouldn't break below this candle here, let me zoom in, this area, then I'm going to manage my risk by exiting half of my position. So okay, so it has broken below its own low. At that point, so this on my stops 20 pips. Yep, perfect. 20. Let's see. This position has hit stop loss. Yeah, I think the way the candle is moving, um, I'm currently, I'm currently in about 20, 30 pips in profit, like $800. Let's see, what is it? Almost 40 pips. Can we get one more push? Yeah. I'm closing this position at $1,000. Close, 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 close. Closing this position right here. Boom. Win. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Let me show you the trade I took right here. $1,000. See if this is better. Yeah. Done live, executed, explained. I think this was perfection. So basically, the reason why I waited for the setup is that as the candlestick was, coming down and creating its own low. Let me first remove these here. So as the candlestick was coming down and creating its own low, I wanted for me to and wait for the candle to continue to break above its own high and then push up. That was the push that we were waiting for. So this candle opened and created a lower wick, and as it was breaking above, that was our um, targets there. So done for the day. I think this was great. I explained consolidation. I explained what the live trade was, and in 10 minutes, made $1,000. Nice. With that, I will see you tomorrow.